In this episode, we will visit a factory that manufactures components, equipment, and tools supporting aviation, automotive, railway, and other industry sectors. Automation is no longer the future. It's an everyday reality of the modern industry. The precision and repeatability are ensured not only by smart control systems, robots, and sensors, but also by solutions underlying efficient intralogistics or stations contributing to effective performance of manufacturing operations. The factory that we are going to visit in this episode specializes in automation and optimizing of production processes in aviation, railway, automotive, and mining sectors. It is also a place where entire automated transport systems are produced, which ensure a flow of semi-products and finished products at a customer's plant. They include palletizing lines, intralogistics lines for tire or food industries, or parcel sorting machines for the e-commerce sector. Furthermore, the company uses capacities offered by its machine park to provide an extensive range of machining services for single, small, and large volume orders. So let's see how it all works. At the company from Dębica, it is the designers who play a crucial role in the process of development of machines and production lines. A great part of lines and devices is made to individual orders, so they are produced from scratch. After the customer accepts an initial concept for a device, its full technical documentation is developed, which is then delivered to the production department. The production involves the stage of laser, plasma, gas, or water jet cutting of steel of various quality, including black and stainless, or of aluminum. At the next stage, the components are transferred to the welding station, at which steel structures and machine bodies are manufactured. Here we can see milling and drilling operations on 3- and 5-axis machines. The company is also equipped with horizontal boring mills for processing of large components, usually surfaces of welded structures. The machines operate within a range of 800 to 5,000 millimeters. Here, individual components for devices and machines produced to customized designs are made. However, machine park can also be used for large volume orders. When all operations of processing and coating are completed, structural components and machine bodies are transferred to the assembly department. Here, the entire device is put together, passing through successive stations. Let's take a look at assembling of a station for the tire sector, for removing of compound nodules. First, the device structure is put together. Then its components are installed. For example, a rocker ejecting tires onto the roller conveyor. And this is how the complete station looks with its guards installed. Now it's time for tests. Here we can see the tests of an already assembled automated palletizing station. The company employs check software, efficiency of all sub-assemblies, and safety of operations. At the final stage, they calibrate the way in which bags are placed on a pallet to prevent their slipping outside its edge. Here we can see the tests of the instruments enabling precise welding. At PZM Technology, particular attention is paid to quality control. It is performed at a specialized laboratory equipped with instruments of the highest quality and performing precise measurements of individual components and finished structures. Depending on a function of tested equipment, diameters, basic dimensions, parallelism, shapes, or positions of holes are verified. These operations can also be performed using a measuring arm installed directly at production stations. The plant in Dębica produces not only individual details, devices, and stations, but also complete modern and automated technological lines. It is a step into the industrial future and, literally, the production that generates production.